Hello guys, this is Shashank from EduVitae. Introduction to digital marketing. Let's begin. So, with our first chapter, we'll start with understanding the difference between marketing and advertising. So that going ahead with the course, you will understand the difference between what is marketing and advertising and not confused as digital marketing is only about advertisements on digital space, right? So let's begin. First comes awareness. Okay. And this is the first step in the marketing funnel. Okay. So advertisement is mostly restricted to awareness in the other fields except the digital. Okay. Because we see examples of newspaper or TV advertisements. So these are older methods of advertisements. Okay. And it is for everyone to make aware that I exist, I as a brand exist, this product exists, and this services exist, to make the people aware. And among those people, some would be your potential customers, not everyone, right? These examples are what they are doing. They are showing advertisements for awareness of their products. Then come interest. So once you see a product, then you will be interested to buy that product, right? So if it is Flipkart, if it is KitKat, so if this belongs to your interest field, right? So if you are interested in chocolates, then you will go and buy that product, right? If it not, then these advertisement will only be limited to your awareness and will not catch your interest. After you get interest in buying a product, then what will happen? You will consider it, right? Because if you're interested in chocolates, then you will consider to buy that product. Once you consider it, then comes intent to buy. Okay. So now you have considered it. Now you intend to buy. Okay. Then comes evaluation. So when you go to buy that product, you will evaluate it with other existing products. Okay. Like if you go out to buy a KitKat, you will maybe compare with a Perk, you will compare it with other similar chocolates that are available in the market. And then you, after evaluation with the options, you will finally purchase the product. Okay. So the advertisements were previously limited only to one part, that is awareness. But as the digital world is growing and you are searching for different products out there or internet, then Google, Facebook, these all websites and social media sites are tracking what are your interests, and from awareness this has come down to interest. Okay. Further going ahead, we'll see how these track your interest. So once you have interest in the product, you can consider to buy those products. And it even happens that you go online and you search to buy some products and you use intentional words like buy, purchase, cheap, price. So these are words which you go, and if you use in your search query, it will show that you have an intention to buy that product. So with the digital marketing, the marketing has evolved and come down from bringing people from awareness to purchase to intent to purchase. So instead of bringing them 6 levels down, now you can just bring them 3 levels down and make the purchases. So the digital marketing works up to this area of the funnel instead of traditional marketing, which works in just this field. Right now, we will see that how it tracks your interest. So here we can see it is an screenshot from Google ad settings, which you can see in your own Google ads settings. Okay. So here it is tracking different things like what is the age, what is gender, languages, and then the different things which I am searching online. So it will take as my interest. And based on this interest, it will show me the advertisements. So this is how this Google and other advertising platforms basically take your interest and use them for showing your advertisements. Because Google and Facebook present themselves as a social media company, but by business model, these all are advertising companies, right? Now, once you have understood the difference between marketing and advertisement and how good can be digital marketing as a source of marketing, then you should understand what is your career in this field can be, right? So let's go ahead. In this, we can see there are different arenas in which you can see the digital marketing as a career option, right? So in that, integrated planning, content marketing, SEO, paid search, social media marketing, email marketing, and multi-channel analytics are some of the arenas in which there can be different professions, and depending on that you can choose your career, right? So this is digital marketing manager, brand manager. So this digital marketing manager basically looks after all the digital marketing. Brand manager looks after the brand image online. Social media manager just looks after the social media. Online content developer, business analytics, like going and searching for analytics, and with the data you bring important data for companies to make decisions. Search engine optimization will learn web designer, professional blogger, mobile marketing specialist, email marketer, and search expert. So these are some of the in demand work professions in digital marketing. Now let's go ahead and see what are the jobs in digital marketing. So this is a recent screenshot from one of the job portals, and we can see that there are jobs offered in all the departments, and there are multiple vacancies across different departments, and the salary also ranges from 0 to 3 lakhs, 3 to 6 lakhs. These salaries are mostly for beginners, the freshers in the market, mainly 0 to 3, 3 to 6. And for experienced person, it can go from 25 to 100 lakh plus, that is 1 crore plus salary. And you can see that 6 jobs have been listed for the salary of 1 crore plus, right? So if you have good experience in the field of digital marketing, you can earn a very good amount even working in corporates. Here we can see that a fresher can earn from 5 to 10 lakh in bank. See, this job was posted from ICICI Bank. So a digital marketing manager in banking can earn this range. Then Accenture, even IT companies want digital marketing people. And then this is Marriott Hotels. So each and every field, if you are interested in one field, then you can become a good digital marketing expert of that particular field and earn a good amount. And there is an always an option to start. See, 0 to 2 years, 0 to 1 year, 0 to 4 years. So all these are fresher jobs, and you have fresher jobs for digital marketing people in each and every field out there. Now we see this is the average salary of digital marketing people for freshers. Okay, so digital marketing manager will earn the most because he has a vast range of things to do, right? So 4 to 18 lakhs, SEO specialist 2 to 3, social media manager 3 to 4, content marketing 2 to 4, pay per click and or SEM analyst, search engine marketing analyst 2.5 to 6, and content writer 2.5 to 5 lakhs. And these are average salaries. So you can even expect a higher salary out there in the market. And if you are working as a freelancer, it totally depends on your skills to grab client and also prove that you can give a good outcome. Okay. Now, what is the career growth? So we can see that number of jobs available in the field of digital marketing is consistently increasing. So from 2020 to 2022, already 134 million jobs has increased. And in 2024, this will increase to 539. That is 206 millions. So in last 2 years, what is the increment? 134. And in next 2 years, what is the increment? 206. So the growth of digital marketing is very high in our country, And with this, if we have the skills of digital marketing, because each and every person out there is looking for a person who can do digital marketing, so you will have a good career growth in digital marketing, right? Now these are the various models that we will be covering throughout this course: Google Analytics, search engine optimization, Google AdWords, Twitter ads, Facebook ads, native ads and sponsored contents, email marketing, affiliate marketing, WhatsApp marketing, search engine marketing, keyword research, LinkedIn marketing, Pinterest marketing, WordPress blogging. And this is the final question for you. Go search it and put it down in the comment sections that what is the best way to learn digital marketing. And see you guys in the next session. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye.